Tuesday where we're gonna be trying all this stuff. And I just worked out at the gym, so I can't hold that. Me trying a bunch of stuff also mean I just worked at the gym. Worked? I didn't work. I worked at the gym. I worked out at the gym. Oh my God. Okay, hey everyone! So a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to bring back Taste Test Tuesday. So a lot has been happening in my life. It's been very up, it's been very down, it's been all around. But I think that it is important to take a step back, focus on yourself, invest in your mental health, your physical health, your just well-being in general. It's very hard to let yourself slip. I'm just talking from experience from me. There is no right or wrong time to be happy. If something bad happens, if something life-altering happens, we are all gonna go through ups and downs in life. You guys are all very much worth it, and I want you to know that. This camera's so crooked. We're not gonna make this a sad video, but I am ready, and I think I am ready to come back on YouTube. This is actually from Christmas. LOL. It's March. But January, I took off the first half of it because, you know, I posted every day for Vlogmas in December, and then the last half, I was travel mode. I was on vacation and stuff, and then February was my worst month. You guys know, I also just want to say thank you for all the sweet, amazing words and all your guys' support and love. It really means a lot to me. I just needed to process everything in February. And now we're in March, and I think I'm ready to get into my, it's not Christmas candy, it's just stuff I got for Christmas, and it's been sitting because I wanted to do a taste test. And here we are, besties. So this is all from two people, well, actually four technically. My mom and my dad gave me one basket, and then another basket was from Austin's sister and her husband. Now, I put them all in different ones. This isn't just from her. This isn't just from my mom. I like put things in this, and like, I don't know how my sorting is not. It doesn't make sense, bestie, but we're just gonna do a taste test of the stuff that I got for Christmas and go through it and see what's good, see what's bad. Hopefully I don't spit out anything, because I know there have been people asking for this. Let's go! I'm gonna start with a Feastable Mr. Beast. This is a peanut butter one. So I'm not trying everything that I got for Christmas. I'm just gonna kind of pick and choose. Also, everything isn't in here because there are things that either I already ate or there were things I've already tried. So, Mr. Beast. Oh, I should show you guys what the bar looks like. I shouldn't just go into it. Okay. So, it just looks like this, and then this chunk here says Mr. Beast and his logo on it. Right there. Maybe that's the best one. Maybe there's a golden ticket in here and he'll give me $1 million. It's giving Reese's. I don't want anyone to be mad. It's not exactly Reese's. It's not as sweet, and it's more like chocolatey than peanut buttery, but I have tried a Beast bar before. I think it was just the milk chocolate one, and I didn't like it. I just thought it was pretty much nothing. It was also $10 for a chocolate bar. This one here, the chocolate's actually smooth. I think he has enough money, but it's good. I can't say it's bad. It's good. I would give it like 7 out of 10. It's just more like, not savory, but it's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, next is this Red Arrow root beer. I'm gonna use my trusty little gator here. What's happening? Did you see that? Shixie wanted it. Cheers! Oh my. Okay, it tastes a little flat, but it doesn't taste bad. It's sweet, but it's not like carbonated really. It's just kind of, well, obviously that's what flat means. Oh, I'm carbonated. I can't, sorry. Not really a big fan of this, so I'm gonna say like 5 out of 10. It's not terrible, it's mid. Next, we got caramel brownie. Oh, caramel and brownie clusters. Oh my God, I'm gonna love these. Oh my God, these smell heavenly. Oh my God, please taste how you smell. So they look like this. They look like turtles, kind of. Oh my God, blows everything that we just tried out of the water. Here's what the inside looks like. There's a sea salt on top. Perfect touch, because it makes them not be as sweet together. It just brings out that chocolatey caramel flavor. These are literally a 9 out of 10. Yummy! Next we have Cheez-Its, and these are buffalo wing, naturally flavored. So did they like get buffalo wings and then suck out the juice from them and then inject it into each Cheez-It? Probably. Okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, let's go for it. You guys know how much I love Cheez-Its. Okay, you know what? It is giving, is this supposed to be blue cheese or ranch? I think it's supposed to be blue cheese. You know what? I can smell like a creamy aspect. They just look like normal Cheez-Its. The first thing I taste is actually blue cheese. What if it's a placebo? What if it's like, there's no blue cheese in there? But then you get the aftermath of like buffalo. I'd be able to like sit down decent with these and have a good snack. I bit my tongue. What's the worst? Because now for like $2 2 days, it's gonna like swell, and then I'm gonna bite it, and it's just gonna swell, I'm gonna bite it, and it makes me mad. Like, it doesn't even hurt, because I think about how the future of how I'm gonna be in pain every single time I eat, and I love eating. Eating's my #1 hobby, so I'm mad. You're gonna drop now a 0.5, so I'm gonna give these like a 7.5. I was gonna give them an 8, but I'm giving them a 7.5. 7.6. 7.7. It's because they made me mad. We have so many different kinds of pops or soda wherever you live. Let's start with this Mountain Dew Game Fuel. So this is a World of Warcraft soda, and I used to play World of Warcraft every single day, all day long, when I was like in high school and just like graduating high school and like maybe 1 or 2 years after. I loved World of Warcraft. I had the best stuff. I would not play it now just because it's probably changed so much, and honestly it was an addiction. You know, like when you hear like stories of people playing World of Warcraft and them like not leaving their seat and then, oh my god, that's horrible. Anyways, that was me. I like just ate shit, slept in the same chair. I didn't, but you get it. This smells like grape. And if you guys know, if you know, you know, I can't stand grape. Oh, it's citrus blackberry. Ew, what is this, NyQuil? Disgusting. Now it's with a blast of natural and artificial black raspberry flavors. Actually, that's what I'm smelling, is black raspberry, but like disgusting. Okay, let's try it. Cheers, everyone. Okay. Ugh. You would never catch me drinking a whole can of this, ever. Okay, it's not as terrible. The smell, I feel like, is super artificial and like pungent and just like tastes like very, very medicinal. It's like blackberry. I don't taste citrus. I just taste blackberry. 2 out of 10. Pepsi Zero Sugar Mango. Now, I like mango, so, and I don't mind Pepsi. I'm a Coke girl. Why do these smell so disgusting? It's giving cat urine. Oh my god! Oh my god, it tastes like, Peach Crown Royal. That's what it tastes like. Probably, no, it tastes like when you mix Peach Crown Royal with Pepsi. Period. Disgust. 0 out of 10. Now, you might like these things, okay, but I just don't. And that is okay. Now, this one is a Canada Dry, caffeine-free. Love that, because caffeine lately has just been giving me so much anxiety. Made with a splash of real juice cherry ginger ale. I feel like all these are gonna taste like alcohol because they're all like, I don't know, anyway. Okay, this one's promising. This one is promising. This is the one, okay, period. Cheers, dink it and sink it. Okay, yum. This is probably the only one so far that I would just like sit down and enjoy a movie with. Okay, it's good. It's not, it's literally, when it says a splash, it means like a splash. And then it has like a splash of fruit. I don't know what fruit. You're like, well, neither do we. You're the taste test person. What fruit is it, bestie? Raspberry? We like this. 6 out of 10? It's not like amazing, but it's not bad. I mean, I'm comparing it to the other ones, I think. So, okay, next we have some chips. These are hers. These are really light. Horseradish and cheddar. I'm not a huge fan of horseradish, but we're just gonna give it a go. And I just ripped the whole bag. I hate how they're like down to here. Can anyone explain that to me? Inflation! They look like they're not really coated. Like one of these is like super orange and then the other one's like pale. Literally me when I spray tan or self tan. This is how I look. I'm good one side and then you flip me over. Look at this. That's literally how I look, like patchy like that. That's how my arms look. Okay, if you like horseradish, you will love these. When I say love, I don't mean like. You will love these. I'm not a horseradish girl. They don't smell like horseradish. They smell like a cheddar chip. The only thing I taste is horseradish with a little bit of after notes of like cheddar. I like how they're ripple. It's not like super artificial flavoring. I glitched. Flavoring? As a chip on itself, I would rate this like an 8 out of 10. Good flavors, like it's very natural and delicious, but I just don't like horseradish, so I would say a 2 out of 10. I probably would never ever reach for these. You want to smell? They're not for kitties. Now we're going in with some Sweet Chaos. That was like my nickname in high school. Drizzled popcorn, black and white sugar cookie. Ooh, drizzled with sweet black and white frosting. Let's get it. Ooh, so this is what they look like. Where are they drizzled? Are they drizzled? Oh yeah, they are. Look at that. Yummy. Okay. Yum. I feel like it needs a little bit of like salt added. It literally says made with cane sugar and sea salt. Bestie, we don't taste the sea salt. But other than that, I like the popcorn. It's like not stale at all. It's nice and fluffy. And the drizzle tastes like sugar cookie. A 7.5 out of 10. I have 2 sauces. I love a good dip and a sauce. So there is pickle ketchup here. What? Pickle flavored. And then there's pickle flavored ranch. I'm so excited. I'm gonna use just like a basic saltine cracker. How could you mess this up? This cannot be messed up. Okay, ready? Oh, wow. Okay. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my. That's good. It is a strong pickle flavor. This was some chicken tenders with French fries. I'm gonna do like loaded fries with this pickle ranch and then like dill pickles on top. Loaded pickle fries. Ah, I'm doing that. Now pickle ketchup. Oh my god. They were not playing when they said pickle ketchup. They were like, pickle bitch. Holy shit, red 40. It's a little bit darker than regular ketchup. I think that's my favorite thing I've tried so far. Girl, this is gonna be gone in a month. The savory saltiness of this, it's like a deep ketchup flavor with those like citrus notes, not citrus notes, what am I thinking of? Sour notes of pickle with pickle seasoning. Okay, yeah, so it's very much giving like popcorn seasoning with ketchup. This, I wanna say 10 out of 10. 9.8 out of 10 just because I am trying to be quirky, but this is my favorite thing so far. I don't think anything's gonna beat this. That's so good. It's like sweet and sour. Okay, I don't have too high of hopes for this, but pink lemonade Kit Kat. Speaking of quirky. Oh, wow. Okay, this is the prettiest looking Kit Kat I've ever looked at. Give me a break. Okay, it's really, really sweet. You know when your jaw starts to water in the corners here and something's really sweet? She's that. Oh, but it's also then giving a kick of sour because of the like, pink lemonade. This is good. I honestly would only be able to eat like a stick of this. If you've tried this, please let me know if you ate the whole thing. I think this is very just like gimmicky. It's to sell. It's for people that are like me that just want to try things. I would just say another mid 5 out of 10. Next up is this huge thing of Reese's popcorn. Ooh, okay. Smells like Reese. That's what it looks like. Perfect drizzle of chocolate and peanut butter. Cats are fighting. Tastes like Reese's. I feel like I could eat a lot of this because of it being so subtle. I would give this like a 7.8 out of 10. This 7-Up Shirley Temple. I love Shirley Temple so much. It's like my favorite non-alcoholic drink to order while out. To order. It's Shirley Temple-esque. Ugh! Tastes like a vodka cranberry without the vodka. So it tastes like cranberry juice. It's giving cranberry juice. 4 out of 10. Caramel cold brew M&Ms. Looks like this. Why are they chewy? The caramel is actually caramel in there. It's not just a flavor. The experience is, I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka's factory right now. The caramel gives it like the chewy, obviously it's caramel. You get like a little shot of the cold brew. Not overwhelming, amazing. It's honestly the perfect bite. 8 out of 10. Caramel bugles, and now the sun is telling me to leave. I haven't had bugles in so long. When I was a kid, I used to put these on every one of my fingers. Ah! That's probably why I have nails now, because I would put bugles on. Okay, well these ones I can't because they're caramel, but they're actually quite coated. You can see that. Oh my god, the sun. I was just gonna say it's sweet and salty. Okay, the pickle ketchup, number one thing. These are second place. I can eat this whole bag right now. 9 out of 10 for sure. Crunchy, salty, sweet. Amazing. Okay, I just shut my blinds. To end this out, I have these 2 little lollipops, strawberry cheesecake. It's very like plasticky. The cheesecake kind of tastes like sour-ish, just like a slight. The strawberry is actually pretty good. It's very vibrant, but just not for me. And then this one is banana split. Ooh, super artificial banana, like banana penicillin. Tastes very, so I really like that. That's just like a personal thing, I guess. I don't really know how to rate these because I'm not really like somebody that's gonna have like a sucker and just like drive off. I feel like that's a flex, just to have a sucker and be like, peace out, bitches, and just drive off. So that was everything. That was my Taste Test Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I didn't try everything that I got for Christmas, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a long-awaited, overdue taste test video, Taste Test Tuesday. I hope you guys try something new today. No matter what it is, just try something. Doesn't have to be food. It can be anything. And remember to keep people in your life close who matter to you. And your life is worth it, and you are super special. Mwah. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!